Just a few miles southwest of Bristol, in the peaceful village of Wraxall, stands one of England's finest Victorian Gothic Revival country houses, Tyntesfield. The estate was originally a modest Regency home, but everything changed in 1843 when it was purchased by William Gibbs. His fortune came from the international trade of guano, a natural fertilizer that transformed agriculture during the 19th century. The beautifully restored rose garden is one of Tyntesfield's most charming features. During the summer, its colourful blooms and delicate fragrances create a peaceful retreat within the historic estate. With his newfound wealth, Gibbs commissioned a complete transformation of the house. Between 1863 and 1865, architect John Norton redesigned Tyntesfield into the magnificent Gothic mansion we see today. The Gibbs family lived here for more than 150 years. In 2002, the National Trust launched one of the largest conservation appeals in its history, successfully raising the funds needed to save both the house and its priceless collections. Today, visitors can explore beautifully preserved rooms filled with original furniture, paintings and personal belongings, offering a fascinating glimpse into Victorian family life. One of the most remarkable features of Tyntesfield is that much of its original Victorian furniture, artwork and family belongings remain exactly where they were used by the Gibbs family. Rather than recreating the interiors, the National Trust has carefully preserved the house as a genuine family home, offering visitors a rare and authentic glimpse into the daily life of one of Victorian England's wealthiest families. The chapel at Tyntesfield is one of the most remarkable rooms in the house, reflecting the deep Christian faith of the Gibbs family. Built in the Victorian Gothic style, it features beautiful stained glass windows, intricate wood carvings, and a richly decorated interior. The chapel also reflects the important role that religion played in Victorian family life. For the Gibbs family, their Anglican faith was a central part of their daily routine, and the private chapel allowed both the family and the household staff to attend services within the estate. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please click like and subscribe to my channel.